Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to fix if your iPhone is getting lagged or stuck in between while using. There might be many reasons behind this, but in this video, we'll try to give you many solutions and possible solutions that can fix your issue. So let's start the video and check out the method. So guys, the first solution what you can try is always check whether there are any application running in your background, because sometime whenever you're using heavy application in the background like a big game or any heavy application that requires heavy power or more power or energy on your iPhone, that time that application is running in the background on your iPhone, that might cause a lag or a stuck in your iPhone. Just go ahead and close the application that is running in your background, so that might fix the issue as well. First of all, check that. Okay, second thing what you can try is just go ahead and reboot your iPhone. Just go ahead and power off your iPhone and reboot it again, so any glitch or any issue that might get fixed in the reboot. So try that as well. Now, the third solution or the third thing what you can try or check, that is your storage. That's a must thing. Go ahead, open your settings, go to general. In general, go to storage and check whether you have your storage free or not. Because whenever your storage become full on your iPhone, that time your iPhone is surely going to lag or stuck continuously. So make sure that there is enough space available on your iPhone, free storage available on your iPhone for your iPhone to perform normally. So storage is a main thing, must thing, you should always take care. The fourth thing what you can try is check for your battery percentage. So whenever if your battery is low or powered low, that time your iPhone requires a heavy power, right? And if you're running many applications in the behind or in the background, that time the power might not be sufficient, and that time your iPhone will start lagging or getting stuck. Also your iPhone becomes heat or warmed up, right? So make sure that the battery percentage or the battery level is enough whenever this issue occurs on your iPhone. So always check for a battery as well. And if still issue is happening, the next thing what you can check is a software update. Go to settings, go to general, and here open software update. And here if any software update available, just go ahead and update your device. Okay, sometime any glitch or issue get fixed in your software update. Also guys, additionally one more thing here, if you are on a beta version, if you're using a beta update on your iPhone, then make sure that or put this in your mind whenever you're using a beta update on your iPhone, that time your iPhone sometimes gets glitchy or buggy, and that makes your iPhone lag. Because whenever beta update comes up, they have always have a bugs or glitches. So whenever there is a beta version, don't worry about the lag, because coming update that get fixed. So if you're using a beta update, ignore it, because coming days it will get fixed. Okay, now the last thing what you can try, that is your reset settings. Do one thing, go to settings. Okay, go to general again, and here scroll down, there is an option called transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on that, and here tap on reset. And here if you see, there are multiple things available here. So what you can do, just go ahead and tap on reset all settings. So any issue with the setting applications or any issue with your permissions on your iPhone, they'll get fixed. Okay, do one thing, enter the passcode, automatically the issue, okay, just confirm it, and any issue on your iPhone happening, that might get fixed as well. So guys, that's it. I tried to give you possible solution to fix the issue. I hope they work for you, and if yes, please let me know in the comment below which solution worked for you. Until then, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.